Hello, my name is Kiwanuka from Ebenezer Energy Saving Stoves Limited, a company that manufactures, fabricates and supplies energy saving stoves that use reusable volcanic stones and solar system for cooking. Today we are here in Nakasongola in Buruuli Kingdom. Our product is recommendable because it has got something unique that has not been seen in the renewable energy. Our products basically utilizes volcanic stones as a clean and sustainable alternative over traditional charcoal. So today we are here to promote a product that is here to save the nature, that is here to reduce on deforestation. Since we are all here for a common goal of promoting clean cooking, so we want to promote a product that will enable or that will protect trees from Nakasongola.